Ethiopia, right? Now, Ethiopia is a very, very important country. It is considered to be among the cradles where humans first evolved. So, it becomes really important historically also. But otherwise, you will see that it is in which area? So, it is around the Horn of Africa, right? It is around the Horn of Africa, but very, very important. It is not sharing its, it is not sharing its land with any of the water bodies here. So, it is not sharing its land with Red Sea or the Indian Ocean, you know. So, it is not, it is a landlocked country. It becomes really important in that regard. It is a landlocked country, right? No borders with either Red Sea or the Indian Ocean region, right? Next important aspect. So, what are you going to see in this particular region? Of course, the capital is Addis Ababa, right? Now, in that regard, the next important thing is that you will find here Lake Tana, right? This is very, very important. Why? Because it is from Lake Tana that which river would rise? So, the river is Blue Nile, right? Lake Tana is in Ethiopia. Properly, if you see, it is in Ethiopian highlands, right? We have seen Blue Nile and White Nile, they were meeting in Khartoum in Sudan, right? So, meets White Nile that was rising from Lake Victoria. So, White Nile in Khartoum, and which was the island, which was the riverine island it was forming? So, you remember there is Khartoum and there is Tuti Island, right? Very similar to our Majuli Island, it is also a riverine island at the confluence of Blue and White Nile. This is in Sudan, right? This we have seen in the previous classes, right? So, we are not going to go into more details about these particular aspects. This we have seen properly, right? Now, Ethiopian highlands are very interesting, right? They are volcanic plateau. They are of volcanic origin, right? And why do you find this volcanic plateau here? Because this particular region is going through a rift valley formation. Do you remember the East African Rift Valley? This becomes really important in this regard. So, here you will find that Rift Valley formation is going on.